guys, welcome to yet another studio vlog. This vlog has a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Last weekend, I think it was last weekend, I had a little shop update with like stickers and postcards and stuff. So I'm showing you what's new. I'm showing you how I pack some stuff. I'm working on some printable things for my Patreon. I take a little trip to pick up something. Very, very descriptive right there. A lot of this is just me working, so feel free to work on something yourself while watching this. It's very relaxed, very all over the place. Let's just get right into it. That's my seat. Alright. So yesterday I, what did I do yesterday? Oh, yesterday I drew like a single panel of, a girl saying something, but I left it blank. Mysterious, but I left it blank. And I posted it to Instagram because I wanted to like crowdsource some potential dialogue, and then I was going to make my printable for Patreon like a full, not a full comic, but like a one-page printable comic, and have it be based off of the dialogue that was suggested. It's interesting though, because I feel like with the algorithm on Instagram, like people will really scroll by my posts if I don't put text in it, which is interesting and disappointing and frustrating. So, but some people still have been commenting some stuff, which is cool, but yeah, I don't know. The algorithm is always the enemy, but whatever. I'm gonna roll with it. It'll still be a fun prompt to work through, so excited. I'm looking through Instagram to see what people have suggested for that comic panel, for the dialogue, and it's kind of hard because sometimes what people are suggesting is super specific, which is cool because a lot of times I get so tired of making comics that are on the more vague side, whatever, but then sometimes being more vaguer, but it's more vague, right? Sometimes that's better because it means it's more relatable for everybody, and I'm all about being relatable. Oh, stop doing that. Yeah, there's a lot of different ways I could go with this. I don't know. I do like one that says, oh yeah, no worries, tomorrow works too, because that just kind of opens up a lot of different things I could draw, which could be fun. People do like kind of sad stuff, like sometimes life isn't fair. To vote or not to vote. I like that one, that's funny. Oh, this is a funny one. No, I'm not sick, I just didn't wear makeup today. I don't know if you can hear, but somebody just flushed the toilet. Let me think on that, because I really, a lot of different choices. Thank you to whoever suggested something. This is hard for me now. decided that I'm definitely gonna go with the one that's like, oh yeah, no worries, tomorrow works too. And then I'm just kind of going with like the scene that immediately jumped to mind, where somebody's maybe like blowing off plans, or something came up and then the person just kind of walks away in front of like maybe an old house. I kind of feel like drawing like some kind of old Victorian sort of a house, maybe kind of making it feel like a little autumnal. So I think this will be fun. Gonna play around with it a bit, see what I come up with. I'm excited because my noissue. I'm excited because my noissue package just came in today. They were nice enough to send me like some postcards and stickers. I'm gonna open this baby up. Okay, so there's a bag within a bag. I don't know why. Who stole my seat? Oh, okay, so these are my postcards, I think. Very nice. The packaging is really nice, but there's just so much of it. I understand that this is like all recycled and stuff, but it's a lot. So, Lois, please don't step on my stuff. These are the postcards that they sent me. They look pretty nice. That's the front, and then the back has a little spot where you can fill it out. It feels like, yeah, the front has a nice coating to it, and the back has less of a coating. It still feels a little smooth, but yeah, I think that came out pretty nice. So those will be going up in my shop. Probably by the time I have this video up, they'll be in my shop. I just said that. Okay, so I'm guessing that these hold my stickers. Yes. Woo! They're big. That's cool. They're little French bulldogs, little punk French bulldogs. So I love how these came out. So cute. Oh, Lou thinks so too. These are for more like packaging, so I'm gonna slap these on new orders. Oh, you know what? I have a couple that I just packed, so I'm gonna slap them on now. And they say thanks. They say thanks. This really doesn't want to focus today. There we go. Oh, they look so cute. I'm so excited. Ah! And the postcards are made out of recycled paper, which is awesome. I will say the only thing or like one of the things besides like the excess packaging, is that this came from Hong Kong, which I didn't know. And it's cool that it's all like recycled material or recyclable or compostable. But I feel like that's not like eco-friendly, but like shipping from Hong Kong to, and I live in New Jersey, when like I feel like the more eco-friendly thing to do would be find a more local printer, and usually local or most printers will have like recycled paper to print on, so that's probably what I would do in the future rather than ordering internationally, just because I know Lou, just because it keeps like the shipping down and stuff like that. But you know what? No issue, you do a good job. This looks great. I'm very excited. So thank you. What's up, guys? We're going to pick up some flat files. Mike's boss's wife was like, "Do you want these?" And I was like, "Yeah."
Are you really filming?
I am.
Oh gosh.
So right now we're going through the Lincoln Tunnel into Manhattan, Midtown, picking up these flat files, and I'm so thankful. How do you feel, Mike?
What celebrity do you hope to see in Midtown today?
Myself. So we got the first flat file in. We're definitely gonna have to make 2 trips. So it's fun. My hands are filthy. Mike ran in to get the other one because I have to stay with the car, so far so good. I don't know. The Big Apple. New York, New York. It's Tuesday. I keep thinking it's Monday, but yesterday Mike and I picked up those flat files, so that took up most of the day. But today I'm gonna spend most of my time packing orders, which is really cool. Thank you very much for all of your orders. And yeah, I think that might take me a while, which is a good problem. What else do I have to say? I just did this. Why? I don't know. I don't know how I feel about that. I kind of hate it, but just gonna go with it. But it does kind of match this cool shirt that says Pasta Parade. I am maybe Italian or Greek. I just don't know. Okay, yeah, so I'm gonna get to packing. So excited about it. I just realized that I never really talked about the stickers that I updated with, and I don't know why I'm really excited about them, so let me show you. So the first one, oh, hit my knee. Okay, it's fine. This is the first one. And this is from a comic that I made, I don't know, last month. And it's like a satin matte kind of feel to it, so it's really soft. Very nice, very excited. I feel like I already got a fingerprint on it. But I got Holographic Sleep Before You're Dead stickers. Really cool. These are all, by the way, these are all from Stickerapp. Thank you. They're really cool and sent me some stickers in some like cool finishes. I never have, I've never ordered holographic stickers before. Love it. A little bit addicting, a little bit scared of what could happen in the future, but we'll see. I think my favorite is this one. Only this guy has like a mirror finish. Like this part is matte, this part is matte, but the sky is shiny. I think that's really cool. Very excited. I've never made stickers of like my little one panel comics before. I'm really kind of liking it. I might do more in the future. They're so fun. And they come out better than I thought they would, so good to keep in mind. Stickers, gotta love them. Also, I'm so tired of the BTS posters being in the background of everything. Listen, I love them, but I'm almost 28 years old next month, and they don't have posters of me up in their room. So why should I have posters of them? it this far, shucks. Or maybe you skipped ahead. Either way, who am I to judge? Who am I to judge? But yeah, I hope you enjoyed that. A little messy, but that's how we do things around here. Thanks for sticking around. If you want to buy something from my shop, I'm not gonna stop you. The link is below. And yeah, thank you once again to my patrons for being the best and being supportive. So I will see you guys next time. I'm just getting closer and closer to the camera. I don't want my face that close. See you next time. Bye guys.